All right, I'm about to do an unboxing for an order I made from Bronco Graveyard from jeffsbroncograveyard.com. I found it to be reasonably priced, got new parts from there, and they work with different manufacturers to get parts custom made as well. And so I ordered the fuel system. I'm about to change the gas tank, the fuel lines, and all the miscellaneous parts from there all the way up to the carburetor. And it got here pretty quick. I made the order last week, and within, I'll say 4 days, it was on my doorstep. The only parts I'm missing are the fuel lines because those got sent to a manufacturer and were made to order. So those should be here tomorrow. This is the fuel filter. This is the Ford Motorcraft fuel filter that's gonna get replaced. This is the fuel tank vapor valve that's going to be replaced, and I got the O-ring as well, the seal. I got the fuel line coupling tool. I was looking in the different forums to not miss out on this tool. It's going to make life easier to take all the fuel lines off and on. These are the brackets, the straps for the fuel tank, brand new straps. This is the sending unit that came in. So you can see the floater here, it's brand new. So that's cool. And it also has the seal and the bracket. I think it's recommended to change this as well. I was gonna order one, but it comes already as part of the sender unit. I still need to order the fuel pump because they didn't have that in stock, but I could get that at a local parts shop. Can you guess what's in this big box? And here we have a steel tank. I was gonna go with the plastic tank, but I decided to go with the steel tank. What do you think? Was that a good idea to go with a steel tank? There's a skid plate on there, but I figured this one's a little dented here. Looks like the box took a hit. There's a dent right here. I'll send a picture and let them know they did their best job packaging it. It doesn't look like it's gonna cause issues, right? But sometimes it just feels kind of funny receiving things with dents or scratches. It looks like there was pressure here because there's some marks from the cardboard on here. So something heavy probably came on here, and it's definitely dented. So that's the unboxing for the parts we're going to replace. So check out the other video as I start replacing these parts. And if you're looking for any parts for your Bronco, whether it's a Bronco or a Bronco II or a classic Bronco, check out broncograveyard.com.